Hello everyone and welcome back to my next video. As you saw at the start of the video, I'm using an Instagram automation tool that helps me post reels automatically to each account. This is going to help me save a lot of my time and effort. Now if you happen to own many accounts, let's say you have 100 accounts, then posting each reel to every single Instagram account is very time consuming. It could take you all day. But today, I'll introduce a software that helps you post reels automatically and in bulk to your accounts in just minutes. Make sure to watch until the end. So this is the Instagram software interface. First, the software helps you manage an unlimited number of Instagram accounts. You can add hundreds, thousands, or even millions of Instagram accounts into the software. And the more Instagram accounts you use, the more effective it is, helping you post even more reels to spread your product and service information to your target customers. If you use many accounts on the software, don't worry, because our software also supports assigning a proxy to each account. So you can attach proxies here, and each proxy will change the IP address of your Instagram account. This will make your Instagram accounts extremely safe, and you can reach customers who might be in other geographical locations you want to target, okay? And our software has many features to help you automate your work, completely automated. It includes features like auto messaging, posting content, and posting reels automatically, commenting on certain posts, and it can actually help to increase your followers and likes on Instagram. And there's even thread support available for you as well. But in today's video, I'll just focus on sharing the automatic reel posting feature. Here I'll go to the posting section, post reels there. Notice the right column, those are the parameters to set up the software. First, when you want to post reels, you need to have your videos ready, right? You need videos to upload. So I'll go to the select upload from computer section. You'll upload the file from your computer. For example, when you are ready, you simply select it right here, this part. Here, you'll choose a video you want to post. I'll just take this one. Next, for hashtags, you can add any hashtag you want. For example, I'm doing fashion, so I can enter fashion here. Fashion. Next, you can enter the description for your video right here, there. Once you have the video, hashtag, and description content, you just click save. There, you've selected your content. After that, you can proceed with the settings. You can fully configure the software for how many videos you want each account to post. For example, if you want one account to post 2 to 3 videos, right? You'll enter the numbers here, 2 to 3 videos. There. If you want to tag someone, a specific account, you can enter that Instagram account name right here. That's it. And if you want to share to Facebook, just check the box. So you can completely customize the settings to your liking. Once you have the video and all the parameters set, you'll select all of your Instagram accounts. See, I'm selecting 100 of my Instagram accounts. After that, I just need to click the start button. Now, as you can see, the software is automatically opening all those Instagram accounts and logging in. There. Then it will start loading the profile page for each Instagram account. After that, it will just automatically upload the videos. This way, it makes your work incredibly fast. See? It saves so much time and effort right there, and it will help you automate things much better. Yeah. It helps you spread information about your products and services, because right now, short form video platforms are a channel that can help you attract many potential customers if you know how to take advantage of them.